Hello friends, today we will discuss another question answer discussion. This paper was Junior Engineer Civil Mechanical and Electrical 2018 paper 1. Okay, and this exam was conducted on 26/9/2019 morning shift. In this video we will discuss only general electrical engineering except here general intelligence and reasoning part. Okay, so let's start friend without let. So come to the first question friend. In a single phase capacitor start and round motor, the minimum number of capacitor to be used. So in any single phase capacitor start and round motor, minimum number of capacitor, this is 1. This is one kind of example of your ceiling fan which is used in your domestic lines. Okay, next question, identify the machine shown in the circuit. Okay, so you just see in this configuration here the armature field and shunt field. Okay, so armature and shunt field, this is connected through series field. Okay, so as series field is connected between armature and shunt, so it is creates a long form, means armature and shunt field are connected through a long distance with the help of series field. So this is one kind of long shunt compound generator. But if series field is not connected here and if series field is connected here to form short shunt compound generator. So this is very easy question. Next question friend, if an AC circuit is supplied with an active power of 500 watt and reactive power of 500 VAR, then the load power factor of the circuit is dash. So load power factor you have to find out cos phi. Okay, so your need is here to find out the value of phi. So in this question you can see your active power is 500 and reactive power is your 500. So Vi sin phi equals to 500 and divide Vi cos phi, this is your 500. Okay, so 500 upon 500 this equals to 1 and sin phi and cos phi divided you will find 10 phi. Okay, so 10 phi equals to 1 and phi equals to 10 inverse 1045, that means here phi equals to 45. So put the value cos 45, this equals to 1 upon root 2. But in SSC the question answer is given 1, which is incorrect. Okay, hunting occurs in dash motor, basically hunting occurs in synchronous motor. Okay, due to the load angle changes, when load changes in synchronous motor the load angle also changes, that's why hunting occurs. The meter constant of energy meter will be given, basically this is a direct question, revolution upon kilowatt hour. Okay, prevention of interference with neighboring telephone lines can be done. This is with the help of transposing of transmission line. Basically all of you know that transposing is nothing but to changes the conductor position. Okay, let's conductor is RY be like this, and after some while that R is going to here and Y is come to here, so that by changing the conductor position, okay, the interference of neighboring telephone lines can be done. If the next question friend, question number 7, if the copper losses of a transformer at half full load is 400 watt, then copper loss corresponding to full load, you all of you know that copper loss equals to I square R. So this means current is square times means your half full load 400 means in full load that half square. Okay, that means 1 upon 4 into 400. Okay, so this is your 4 times multiplication, that is 1600. Okay, just calculate and find the answer as 1600. A 3-phase induction machine which is operating like a motor, the range of slip. Okay, so when the machine operating like a motor, its speed levels greater than 2 ns, so ns is always greater than 2 nr, as this is operating like a motor due to the relative speed. Okay, so and you will find the slip is always less than 1 and greater than your 0. A 200 volt DC machine, RA equals to 0.5 ohm and its full load current I equals to 20 amps. So determine the induced EMF. Okay, so induced EMF is basically is your EB. So EB equals to V minus IARA. Okay, so put all the formula. V is 200, IA equals to is given, and RA also given. So you will find final answer is here 190 volt. The skin effect does not depend upon operating voltage. In the speed time curve, train speed is taken in kilometer upon hour and time in second. Okay, then the graph is plotted. Okay, the amount of AC content present in the DC output of a rectifier. So all of you know, like a single phase half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier, or the net output DC, but this is not a pure DC, in form of some kind of ripple is present. Okay, so means some kind of AC is present, and this AC content is known as is your ripple factor. Okay, next one, two identical coils A and B of 1000 tons, each line parallel plane. Okay, such that 80% of flux produced by one coil, this links with the other. Now this is a parallel plane. Suppose this is one coil and this is here another coil. Okay, so coil A flux is linking with coil B like this. Okay, and flux A 80% flux is linking with the flux B. So how much amount flux in coil A? Here is given that 5M flowing in A produces 0.05 milliweber flux. Then flux linking in coil B is dash. So just simply just multiply 80% means 0.8 multiplied with your 0.05 milliweber. Okay, 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 3. So multiply it and finally you will get the answer as 0.04 milliweber. Next one, let T be the net torque developed by the rotor around said omega radian upon second. What is the mechanical power? So P mechanical equals to 2 omega 2 pi omega 60 of T. Okay, so answer is option number 2. This is not a component in thermal power plant. Reactor is not a component of thermal power plant, because this is a component of your nuclear power plant. The below symbol which is used in single line diagram, this is one kind of PT symbol. PT works as a measuring instrument in high voltage transmission line. Okay, an electric heater is connected to 30 volt and it draws a current of 2 amps. What is the resistance offered by the heater? Okay, so R equals to V upon I. So just put the formula and put the value V as 230 and 2 amps as current, and then you will find the answer as 115 ohm as resistance value. Identify the incorrect statement with regards to synchronous motor. Okay, so friend, in question number 18, that synchronous motor is not a self-starting, but here it is given as synchronous motor is self-starting. Okay, so this is the answer. This is measuring unit of inductive susceptance. Basically, you all of you know that X is known as your reactance. This is equals to 1 upon B. This is your susceptance. So unit of X reactance is ohm, and unit of susceptance unit is mho. So answer 4 is option number 4 is correct. Find the mutual inductances between two ideally coupled coil 2 Henry and 8 Henry. So friend, you just see that AM equals to put formula M equals to K root of L1 and L2. So simply ideally coupled means this is a tight couple, and cases of tight coupled value of K is known as here 1. Okay, and L1 value 2, L2 value 8. So 2 into 8 that equals to 16, and root 16 equals to 4. Which of the following lamp employs bimetallic strip? Okay, so bimetallic strip, friend, used in fluorescent lamp in cases of starter. This is option number 3 is correct. Which of the following voltage range is used in medium transmission line? 20 kV to 100 kV. Less than 20 is your short transmission, and greater than 100 is your long transmission. This power plant this power plant is the plant which uses non-conventional source of energy. This is your wind, because it's never end. Power factor of an AC circuit is equals to R upon Z, and another formula is also active power upon afferent power. Okay, VI cos pi upon VI. Another is your cosine angle between voltage and current. Okay, V and I. Which of the following is the correct relation regarding coupled coil? So M is less than equals to L1 L2 root. Okay, For a 3-layer stranded wire, the number of strands in first, second, third layer respectively 1, 6, 12. Friend, you just have to remember this formula 3n into n plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So here layer is 2, so put value n is 2. 3 into 2, that equals to 6. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Okay. So you will find total number of conductors is 19. So here answer 1 is, option number 1 is correct. Which of the following is the function of moderator in nuclear reactor? Basically to controlling the chain reaction, which is done by moderator. Okay. A coil is wound with 50 tons, current of 8 amps produces a flux of 200 microweber. Calculate inductances of the coil. So L equals to, friend, n phi upon I. Okay. So just put all the formulas. L equals to n phi upon I. So n is 50 and phi is 200 microweber. 200 into 10 to the power minus 6 and 8 amps is current, and you will find answer 1.25 millihenry. Friends, just try and you will solve. If you cannot, then just comment. Relate reluctances in the following. So reluctances basically is your mmf upon flux, and this is your ampere upon Weber is the unit. Okay, very simple. Which of the following fuel has the least calorific value? Least calorific value is wood, and highest is your hydrogen. An electric motor in which both the rotor and starter fields rotate with same speed. Friend, the machine that which both starter and rotor rotates in same speed, known as your synchronous motor. Find H equals to D is at the center of a circular coil of diameter 1 meter and carrying current of 2 meter. Okay, so friend, you have to remember that H is nothing but magnetic field intensity. Okay, so this is your H equals to Ni upon L. Okay, so in cases of center of a circular coil, N upon L. Okay, so this is nothing but just I is simply placed here and phi D, and D is taken is your 1 meter, and you will find the answer is 0.6366. If the field coil of the synchronous motor is under excited, power factor will be lagging, and you have to remember, if in over excited cases, power factor is leading. In the capacitor start single phase induction motor, the current in the starting winding always leads the voltage. Okay, the law involved in the expression, this is E equals to minus d phi upon dt. So d phi upon dt is the formula of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, and minus sign due to the Lenz law. Which of the following plants experiences chain reaction? This is nuclear power plant. Okay, all of you know that when nuclear fission. Okay, so in nuclear fission process, that by bombarding your neutron. Okay, so by bombarding your neutron, the uranium or thorium or any radioactive element that breaks, so the chain reaction occurs. Okay, so this happens in nuclear power plant. Next one, in a synchronous motor runs at 600 rpm. Which of the following cases is true? Simplified, just put ns equals to 120 f upon p formula. Okay, and put the value p is 60, p12 and f is 60 hertz, then you will find the answer is 600 rpm. When the supply of excitation fails, okay, so the synchronous generator acts like as an induction generator, because if supply excitation is continuously given, then it works as a synchronous generator. Okay, rather than it acts as an induction generator. Lamp efficiency is measured in lumens upon watt. This is from illumination chapter, very easy question, continuously repeating question also. You have to remember it. Okay, in the 2 wattmeter method, the reading of the 2 wattmeter are 500 and 500. Okay, so respectively the load power factor in a balanced 3-phase 3-well circuit. So friend, this formula is one kind of that W1 equals to VLIL cos 30 minus phi, all of you know, and second wattmeter is VLIL cos 30 plus phi. Okay, so in cases of unity power factor, that means cos 0. Okay, so cos 0, this value is here 1, okay, and cases of g put value phi as 0, okay, and 30 minus phi and 30 plus phi both value is cos 30 and cos 30, so w1 that equals to your w2, okay. So due to this this is 500 and this is 500, that means w1 equals to w2, and the cos 0 value is always 1, okay. So this is due to the unity power factor. The voltmeter shown in the circuit reads, okay, so you just see friend, voltage is given 24 volt and the total circuit is connected in a series, and this is also 250, this is also 250, then equal voltage is divided with both resistor, so answer is here 12. This is anybody can imagine it, but if you put the voltage division formula also, you can find this is 12 volt, okay. If d phi is the luminous flux that incident normally on an area of dA, so friend just imagine this is an area and flux is basically your incident, this is your d phi, okay, and so total jo illuminance this will d phi upon dA, okay. Hysteresis losses is not a function of ambient temperature because hysteresis loss does not depend on ambient temperature. Dash motor is referred to as universal motor. Series motor is known as a universal motor. This is all of you know, this is easy questions. In an AC network, the load is connected to 10 plus J10, okay. So the phase relation between the voltage applied to the and the current through the load is dash. So friend, your question is being asked, the phase relation means you have to find out your cos phi. So cos phi is nothing but R upon Z. So the phi, okay, so phi angle just you have to find out that simply R upon Z, and just do R is here 10 and Z equals to 10 upon root of 10 square 100 plus 100, okay. So just put the formula and finally you will get phi as cos inverse this much, okay, you will find 45. Just try to solve it, and after getting the value of phi is 45, current always leads the, sorry, this is an inductive circuit, okay, through a load, so current is always lags, okay, so and voltage always leads by 45, okay. So next is 46 friend, if Z1 Z2 are connected in series to form a load, okay. So a wattmeter current coil is connected in series with the load, whereas its pressure coil is connected across Z2. So Z1 and Z2 are connected in series. So friend, let's imagine this is Z1 as a load and Z2 as a load, okay, both are in series. If the current coil, let's imagine this is a current coil and this is a pressure coil, but the pressure coil is only connected to Z2 and but not connected in Z1, then the measurement voltage is only in Z2, because here a voltage pressure coil is not connected, then the Z1 voltage cannot be measured. Is it possible to have current in transmission line under no load condition? Yes, because due to the capacitance effect. But you have to remember, in small transmission line there is no there is not consideration of capacitance, but some capacitance also present, but not considered in cases of small transmission line. Okay, next one, in the full wave rectifier circuit figure, the diode that conduct one positive half wave of AC signal. So if AC signal is applied here, and this is one kind of bridge rectifier, okay, and here for positive half cycle only D1 and D2 conduct, because this is forward biased, okay. So all of you know this is a diode and this is your anode side and this is your cathode side, means this is positive anode and cathode, okay. So D1 and D2 will conduct for first positive half cycle and D4 and D3 for another positive half cycle. The ratio of conductor voltage and the voltage across the disc nearest to the conductor multiplied by the number of discs defined as a string efficiency. Diode question. What is the reason behind using centrifugal switch in a single phase induction motor to cut off the starting winding at an appropriate instant? Okay, so all of you know that when the motor attains its 70 to 75% speed, okay, then the centrifugal switch disconnected the starting winding. Next friend, the output of a logic circuit given below represents. Okay, so friend, this is, you just see the first here nothing but only one circuit. Okay, this is a simply a NOR gate, and this is here completely not, this is not, this is not, you can also called as a inverted. Okay, so means A is given here, then you will find A inverted, here you will get your B inverted. So the NOR gate, okay, so NOR gate A inverted and B inverted are the as a works as input. Okay, so you will find this is A inverted and B inverted, and finally the output of NOR gate, this is here A inverted plus B inverted bar, that equals to A dot B, okay, as AND gate, and after that here is also one kind of a NOT gate is given, then A dot B bar, so this is your NAND gate. Okay, so very easy question, option number 1 is correct. A single phase circuit power factor can be measured with a combination of voltmeter, ammeter and a wattmeter. In the below circuit, X equals to, this is a friend AND gate, so output will be A dot B. Which of the following lamps has the shortest or less lifespan in the working hour? So less lifespan is incandescent lamp, but currently incandescent lamp are rarely using. Okay, so but earlier stages it was used more, but currently no using. 2 balls operating 230 volt 60 watt and 230 volt 100 watt are connected in parallel. Okay, so across supply means identify the correct statement. Okay, so in parallel connection the wattage rating is high, that will glow more. Okay, so as voltage rating both have same, so wattage rating 100 watt is higher, so 100 watt bulb will glow brighter. A shaded pole motor is basically a single phase induction motor. In transmission line the voltage regulation is negative because this is due to that VR is always greater than VS. So option number 3 is correct. Two inductors are connected in series. So friend, two inductor 4 Henry and 6 Henry are connected in series. Okay, so just total equivalent inductances, just add it and you find the answer is 10 Henry. If at F equals to dash, RLC series circuit operates at an unity power factor. So friend, all of you know that in cases of unity power factor, this is one kind of resonance circuit. So answer is here 1 upon 2 pi LC, value of F is. The resistive component of rotor with resistance is R2 offered to the backward rotating flux. Okay, so flux is in backward positions and have their single phase motor runs with a slip. That formula R2 upon 2 minus S. Find the frequency of rotor induced EMF of a 3-phase 440 volt 50 Hz induction motor having slip of 10%. Okay, so if slip equals to 10% and frequency is at 50 Hz. Okay, so find out frequency of rotor. So friend, all of you know FR equals to multiplication of slip into your normal frequency. So multiply 10 upon 100 into your 50. So you will get answer is 5 Hz. This supposes the changes in circuit voltage, because this is due to the capacitance. If N phi is linkage flux and linkage then linkage flux per unit current is known as, so N phi upon I, that you all of you know, this is L. In electric traction the coefficient of adhesion is represented as mu, and magnetic circuit is applied with a current of changes at a rate of 5 amps upon second. So di upon dt is 5 amps upon second. The circuit has an inductance of 2 Henry, that means L. Then the self inductance, so E equals to L di upon dt. Simply multiply and put the value minus because due to the Lange's law. The Thevenin's resistance is seen in through the terminal A and B. So friend, you have to find out the Thevenin's resistance, okay, between A and B. Okay, so you all of you know that Thevenin resistance is nothing but an open circuit resistance. So the formula is to just sorted the voltage sources by their internal circuit resistance and current source through short circuit. Okay, so simply just short it and just simply short it. Okay, so friend, simply just sort it. Okay, so this is short and you will get 2 plus 4 6 and 6 parallel. Okay, so this is 3 and again with 3 series, 3 plus 3 6 and again with 6 parallel, that is 3 and plus 2, this is 5 ohm. This is used to manufacture stay wire. This is galvanized wire. Based on the voltmeter and ammeter reading in the measuring network, determine the value of resistor R. So you have to find out the value of R. This is voltmeter value is 5 and ammeter value friends 0.5. So put R equals to V upon I. So V upon I, just 5 upon 0.5, that is answer is 10. Okay. Find the net capacitance of the combination in 10 capacitor of 10 microfarad are connected in parallel. So 10 multiplied of 10 microfarad, that equals to 100 microfarad. Direction of arrow represent direction of when the diode is forward biased. Okay friends, so this is your diode and this is your anode and this is your cathode. So this direction is your current direction. Okay, conventional current flow. Ratio of average energy demand to maximum demand is known as your load factor. In the circuit shown, if resistance is 0, okay friends, so this total resistance is 0. If resistance 0, this is one kind of short circuit. Then the phase angle of Vt and It, this is an inductor, so current is always lags the voltage of 90 degree. Okay, so answer is two coupled coils with L1 L2 equals to 0.5 Henry. Okay, so L1 is equals to L2, that means here N1 equals to N2 is question is asked. Just keep the value of K, this is nothing needed, so answer you will find 1. The cheap and temporary system of internal wiring is your plate wiring. P equals to QHG, this is energy, potential energy relation of hydroelectricity. Okay, so question is being asked, Q is measured in days, this is cubic meter upon second. Okay, which of the following should be used under no load condition? No load condition used isolator is also known as no load switch. Okay, in admittance Y equals to A plus JB, then A is known as your conductance. Okay, because all of you know that this is your admittance. Okay, so impedance Z equals to R plus X JX. Okay, in the circuit shown, the pressure coils of the two wattmeters are connected to. Okay, so here pressure coil and here pressure coil are connected to B phases. Okay, this is the tube that brings water to turbine, this is known as penstock. The function of condenser in thermal power plant to condense the used steam water. Which of the following losses is together called iron losses? Eddy current flows, hysteresis losses. Okay, so P I equals to P plus PH. 4F2D, this is one kind of hexadecimal number, 0 to 15. Okay, the Norton's current in the circuit. Okay, shown in below. So friend, Norton current you have to find between A and B. Norton current, all of you know, just short circuit current ISC, just for simple short it, and if you can short it, then 150 ohm is neglected and the entire current flows through 30 ohm resistor. Okay, so simply I equals to V upon R, V is 360 upon 30, that you will find answer is 12 ampere. Extension of moving iron ammeter range can be done by using your shunt. 3 lamps are connected in series across 120 volt supply and take a current of 1.5. Okay, so friend, all of you know in cases of series the total current is equal. Okay, so hence to find out total resistances, put formula V upon I. So V is your 120 upon 1.5. Okay, this equals to your 80. And if the resistances of the two lamps is 30, that means total resistance equals to 30 plus 30, 60. And another lamp is, yes, 80 minus 60, 80 minus 60, that equals to 20. The trade name of nickel copper alloy is known as your Nickel. Okay. So friend, next the law that explains about economic size of conductor size, this is your Kelvin's law. Okay. When the only current source is active in the circuit, this is only current source is active, then find the current through 10 ohm resistor. So if a current source is active, then it should be shorted. Okay, so put the simple current division rule, 2 into 5 upon 5 plus 10, this is equals to your 5 upon 15, 1 upon 3. Okay, so 2 upon 3, that equals to 0 point something. Okay, so 0.66 is your answer. Next one, in the circuit shown, find the equivalent resistances between A and B. So A here is here and B is here. Just simple, just see 70 plus 30 is a series. Okay, again 100, 150 and 50, 50, 50 parallel 50. This is 25 plus 50, that equals to 75. Very easy question friend, just try to solve. If not, then just comment. Split phase capacitor and shaded pole single phase motor classified as single phase induction motor. Reflected light upon incident light is known as a reflection factor. With the current direction marked in the circuit shown, net voltage applied. Okay, so friend, you all of you know that positive sign is we just denoted in cases of rise in potential, okay, and negative sign in cases of fall in potential. Okay, so when current flows from negative to positive, this is your rise in potential, and if current flows from positive to negative, this is your fall in potential. Okay, so you just see first cases of current arrow is here, minus to plus, this means your plus V1, okay, and again this is V2 is your plus to minus, this means this is your minus V1. So answer is your plus V1 and minus V2. okay, so plus V1 and minus V2. okay, you just see here in option number 4, this is your plus V1 and minus V2. okay, so option number 4 is correct. So friend, option number 4 is correct. okay, dead starting method cannot be used for starting 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor. A squirrel cage induction motor has no winding, so rotor resistance can never be used. An alternator has 9 slots per pole. What is the value of pitch factor if each coil span 8 slots per pitch? Okay, so this is friend, you have to find out the value as a cos alpha upon 2. okay, so is your Kp, okay, pitch factor. So here alpha is your nothing but alpha equals to q of y. okay, so q is basically your shorted, that means if 9 slots per pole but the winding has been done 8 slots upon 4, so q equals to 9 minus 8, that equals to 1 short pitch coil winding. okay, and y is nothing but your angular space or angular distance covered by each slot. okay, this is your 180 upon 9, that equals to 20. okay, so simply put cos alpha equals to 20 into 1, this is equals to 20 upon 2, that means cos 10. Annual load factor of a generation station is nothing but number of units actually supplied upon year, and divided by maximum power possible demand into 8760, that is total hours in a year. The average value of sinusoidal wave basically is your 0.637 multiplication of maximum value. What would be the total losses of 2 kVA transformer corresponding to maximum efficiency? So friend, cases of maximum efficiency, that Pi equals to Pc. So Pi is here 150, so total losses equals to Pi plus Pi, that means 300 watt. 98, if an alternator is operating at unity power factor, okay, the terminal voltage is always greater than the generation voltage is always greater than the terminal voltage. So option number 1 is correct, and with positive voltage regulation. H equals to nothing but L upon 2 pi r for a magnetic field due to an infinite linear current carrying conductor. You have to remember also this one. Identify the importance feature of DC series motor. This is due to the high starting torque. DC series motor can also be used in a escalator and interaction purposes also. So friend, this was the 100 question analysis, and if you like this video, so just like the video and also subscribe. So thank you friends.